Hey, how's it going, everyone? I've got these top-down, bottom-up cordless window shades here for an unboxing and installation. So pull everything out of the box. Here's the brackets and the handles. And you're going to need a cordless drill bit. I got one just under the size of the installation screws. Now here's the orientation that you want this bracket in. That clip's going to go in the back. You can see it's labeled front. And then that clip just snaps in the back. Kind of show you a side profile here. I think this is important. I've installed a similar one before and had a lot of questions on people having trouble getting this installed. So that's how it goes. You can install this thing with the screws in the overhead or behind it, depending on your window configuration. But here's the window that we're gonna put it in. Marked 3/16 from the front edge. I want the thing to sit flush with the front of the windowsill. So it's just about 3/16. Just drilling the holes. Now I marked them with the brackets. This way it'll make it easier to drill those screws up in there. I'm just drilling the brackets in. Putting 2 screws in each one. This is such an easy installation. So you just kind of kick it at an angle and then with the top end first, and then you snap the bottom in. It snaps in, and then you're done as far as getting the thing up there. And you can see these things are super nice. We love them. And here's the clip for the handle that goes on the bottom. You almost don't need it, but it's nice to have. And it snaps in from the back first. Now here we're going to do the top-down handle, and I removed that end piece, as you can see. And this handle there for the top-down function, this little clip, just slides in from the side. And then I just slid it from the end to the center and then put the end cap back on. All right, here's a look at the finished product and its functionality. There's some top down, and there is the bottom up and back down, back up. Just about effortless. Well, I hope this video helps you out, maybe clarifies a thing or two. Just kind of showing you how I did it. Thanks for watching.